Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to fix a Nissan Pathfinder door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. You'll also need a new replacement door handle, which you can typically find for around $20 to $50. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, and consider wearing gloves for comfort and safety during the repair process. Next, we'll remove the interior door panel. Begin by locating and removing any visible screws, often found behind small covers or in the armrest. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the plastic trim pieces without causing damage. Once all screws and trim are removed, gently lift the door panel upwards and away from the door, disconnecting any electrical connectors for switches or lights. Now it's time to replace the handle itself. With the door panel off, you'll have access to the inside of the door. Locate the old door handle and carefully disconnect the rods or cables attached to it. These usually have small plastic clips that need to be released. Once disconnected, remove the old handle. Then, attach the new handle by reversing the process, ensuring all connections are secure and properly seated. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel, ensuring they click firmly into place. Carefully align the door panel and push it back onto the door frame, making sure all clips engage. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces you removed earlier. Before closing everything up, test the new door handle multiple times to confirm it opens and closes smoothly and correctly from both inside and outside.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.